Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this quick video I will show you how to use OBS Studio to record screen and audio. So let's get started. First of all, let me just open up the OBS Studio right away. So from here, first of all, what you need to do, if you want to screen record your own screen, like your monitor screen, what's happening in your monitor, just want to record it, you can do it simply. Go with this plus icon right over here, just tap on that, and from here you need to place display capture. Okay, just go with the display capture and then make visible source. Always check this mark and then click on OK. After that you need to select the display. Like I have two display monitor, like this one is my primary monitor and I have the secondary monitor right over here. So you need to select the monitor like this, and after that you need to select this as automatic like that. And if you want to like go with the cursor, you want to show any tutorial or like this thing, you can go with the cursor. And if you want to just play games and record your gameplays, you can go without the capture cursor. Okay, so it will not show the mouse pointer. So if you just select it, it will show the mouse pointer right away. So let's just go with that, and as you can see we are getting the home screen like this. After that, go with this option. Okay, if you are seeing this microphone option in your PC, then what you need to do, you just need to click on this and go to the properties like that, and then from here you need to select the microphone. So if you have dedicated microphone like myself, you can select that. And also if you don't have any microphone connected to your PC, then you need to go with the earphone or earbuds that you are using. So I have my dedicated microphone right over here, so I will select that and press on OK. Alright, after that you need to make sure that your voice is not getting over the red line like this. You're not getting the red line in your voice. So what you need to do, you need to just make sure that it doesn't cross the red line. If your audio hits the red line, it will be distorted. Okay, you have to make sure that it doesn't just cross over the red line so that it distorted. Okay, so after that what you need to do, you need to go to the settings option right over here, then go to the output, and from here you will be selecting just like simple. You need to go with the advanced. As you are seeing my video, I will go with the advanced setting like this, and then from here I will show you how you can do everything. Like first of all, just go with the AAC, it works fine. For the video encoder, you can select both of these. So if you don't have any dedicated graphics card, you will probably see this X264. And if you have any kind of graphics card like Nvidia graphics card, and I have the AMD graphics card, so I will go with this. So it will render, my video will be rendered in the graphics card. So if you don't have graphics card or your graphics card is low in spec, then you can go with this X264. so it will render your video in the chipset, like in the processor in your PC. So the rendering process will be handled by the processor. So let's go with the AMD, as I have my PC has graphics card. Then what you need to do, you need to go with the CBR right over here, and it will work fine, trust me. Then from here you will see bit rates. Guys, this is the main point of the video, that you want to maximize the bit rates. Like if you're going with the 2500, it will not that good, it doesn't look that good. Okay, if you want to go with the 1080p, then I will suggest you to maximize your bit rate as 15,000 at least, like 15,000. Okay, so if you are going with the 15,000, it will look good, otherwise it might get lost some of the quality. All right, after that, from here in the preset section, you need to select play with that, just play with that. If your graphics card is quite good, you can go with the quality, and if your graphics card doesn't have that much power, then you can go with the balanced. Okay, after that you need to profile. For the profile, I basically go with the main. Recently I have got a new high spec graphics card, so I will go with the high. So just play with these settings. It doesn't further ado, just basically if your graphics card, it depends on the graphics card. So if you have the higher graphics card, you will go and play with the higher things, and if you have low graphics card, low spec graphics card, then you will go with this low spec. After that, just go and apply. Okay, so for the recording part, what you need to do, as you can see, if you have the standard, just select it as the custom. Okay, after that you need to select as output to file. Then from here you need to select the path of the recording, then select as the container to MP4. It must be selected as MKB or MOV, so we don't need that. We need MP4 file, which is easy to carry on. Okay, after that, from here you will see again video bitrate. So for the video bitrate, if you are recording your videos at like 1080p, so I will suggest you guys to go with the 15,000, at least 15,000. So if you are going with upper 15,000, then your video quality will be much better, much better. Okay, again, don't need to change any of these settings, and then go with the apply. Okay, then from here, as you can see, the video recording, so I have default screen as 1080p, so I will go with the 1080p. And here is the another thing, which is FPS. So if you're recording, suppose if you are just going with the tutorial videos, you need to select the 30 FPS. If you have a high spec PC or graphics card, then you might go with the 60 FPS, which looks more smoother, guys. So after that, just hit the apply button, and from here now just select the start recording and you will be good to go. So I think this video might help you out. If yes, please leave a like, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Have a great day, guys.